AI is writing code, designing logos, and even answering customer calls. Jobs are vanishing fast. But guess what? There are jobs that no AI, no matter how smart, can ever replace. Why? Because they require heart, hands-on skills, and real human connection. These 12 eco-friendly jobs are not just sustainable, they're irreplaceable. Ever wonder who makes sure companies aren't dumping chemicals into rivers? Meet the environmental inspectors and compliance officers. These professionals inspect facilities, construction sites, and industries to ensure they're complying with environmental regulations. They investigate pollution and write detailed reports. Inspectors need to be physically present to examine conditions, interview people, and make decisions based on observation, not just data. Coming in at number 11, Forester or Urban Forestry Specialist. Foresters manage forested areas for conservation or logging. Urban forestry specialists focus on managing trees in cities, balancing green space with infrastructure. They need to physically assess tree health, plan harvests or plantings, and manage pests, all based on direct observation. Wildlife and marine biologists are the real-world explorers. These scientists study animals in the wild or oceans, often monitoring behavior, tracking migration, and assessing population health. Animal behavior is complex and context-dependent. While drones and tracking tools help, interpreting behavior and adjusting studies in real time takes a human. Want to make a real impact? Try being an environmental educator or outreach specialist. These professionals teach people about environmental issues, whether it's in schools, museums, parks, or public workshops. Teaching is relational. Humans respond to tone, empathy, and interaction. Outreach work also involves adapting to cultural context. Next is the Sustainable Agriculture Specialist, or if you're more grassroots, a permaculturist. They help farms adopt sustainable practices like crop rotation, composting, and natural pest control. Permaculturists design eco-friendly, self-sustaining food systems. Every farm is unique. Soil types, weather, plant varieties, and human factors require personalized, hands-on planning. Let's talk trash, literally. Waste management coordinators design and manage recycling and disposal systems. They design and manage systems for garbage, recycling, and composting. They work with governments and businesses to reduce waste, while AI can optimize routes or analyze waste streams, implementing systems, educating communities, and making real-time decisions need humans. Next, park rangers and environmental stewards. Park rangers patrol protected areas, lead tours, assist visitors, monitor wildlife, and prevent illegal activities like poaching or illegal logging. This job is boots on the ground. It needs awareness, quick decision-making, and human communication skills in wild environments. Environmental chemists analyze soil, air, and water samples to detect pollutants. They study how chemicals interact with ecosystems and recommend cleanup strategies. AI can process lab data, but conducting experiments, calibrating instruments, and interpreting ambiguous results require human skill. Urban planners design cities that balance growth, transportation, housing, and green space. A sustainability-focused planner adds eco-conscious designs to the mix. Planning cities involves working with diverse communities, local laws, and political dynamics, areas where human negotiation is key. Next, Environmental Restoration Technician. They restore damaged ecosystems, replanting native vegetation, removing invasive species, stabilizing eroded land, and revitalizing wetlands. This is active, hands-on work that requires physical labor and on-the-fly problem-solving in changing outdoor conditions. Next, Air Quality Specialist. They monitor indoor and outdoor air quality, investigate sources of pollution, and develop plans to reduce airborne contaminants. Field sampling, community engagement, and real-time troubleshooting are central to this work. Finally, Environmental Policy Analyst, or Advocate. These professionals research environmental issues, develop policy recommendations, and advocate for environmental justice and sustainable legislation. They publicly encourage action on environmental issues. Environmental advocates can work in various sectors like academia, non-profits, government, and private companies, as researchers, policymakers, field workers, and communicators. Advocacy involves understanding human behavior, politics, and crafting persuasive arguments. And there you go. 15 meaningful, impactful, and AI-resistant environmental careers that truly make a difference. Whether you're into science, education, fieldwork, or policy, there's a place for you in the movement to protect the planet.